Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to hands on the Redmi K40 and K40 Pro. Just for record, I don't own those phones yet, but luckily my Chinese content partners, they are happy to share the footage and testing results with me. Huge thanks to them. Please make sure to subscribe to our channels. All links are down below. Now let's get started. Out of the box, without surprise, the first layer includes some paperwork and the soft phone case. Then is the phone. Under that is the Type-C cable and the 33-watt charger. Please note that for all K40 series, the charger is included. It's not like the leaked information before. There might be an environmental friendly edition without the charger or something. While for the K40 Pro, the contents are basically the same. Now move to the phone. For the Redmi K40, K40 Pro, and K40 Pro Plus, all three phones share a few features in common. For one, all three devices are equipped with a 6.67-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus OLED hole punch design screen. The cutout, if not the smallest, at least one of the smallest I've seen on the market. Well, for this display, Redmi said the K40 series screen received an A+ rating from testing firm DisplayMate. Here is a comparison with the Mi 11. From our point of view, the Mi 11 has a better saturation and contrast for its higher brightness and resolution, while for the K40 it has a less sharp viewing experience. What do you think? Overall, the Mi 11 is a real more expensive flagship phone. Also, all K40 series phone screen comes with 360Hz touch sampling rate. Speaking of that, it must have better performance than even most gaming phones. We do feel that during our game test, it's smooth and fast, but I wouldn't call a huge difference compared to other gaming phones on the market now. During our test, we also found that the K40 has a slightly better heat control than the K40 Pro. It's about 2 degrees Celsius temperature lower, all thanks to the Snapdragon 870 on the K40. For camera, the K40 and the K40 Pro both feature an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 5-megapixel macro lens. But for the former, it sports a 48-megapixel main camera, while for the latter, it houses a 64-megapixel primary snapper. Our conclusion for the performance is, yeah, more than enough to handle your daily photos. You can check out all the sample photos and footage here. Let me know what you think.
Bom, gente, essa aqui é a imagem e o som da câmera frontal. Passamos ali pela placa, né, ó. Voltando aqui, ali a parte mais escura, acho que ele vai dar um ajuste.
For others, the Redmi K40 and Pro feature a side fingerprint recognition, is fast and has multiple functions. They also come with a 4520 mAh battery and support 33-watt fast charging. You can top up fully in around 50 minutes. As for the X-axis linear motor, amplified Wi-Fi 6, dual stereo speaker, all-function NFC, and infrared sensor, they all have. Now about my conclusion. What I really like about the K40 series phones is that they all sport the same high-performance display, whether for the K40 or K40 Pro Plus. Isn't that awesome? And from our test, they all have really great performance. If you have a limited budget, go for the K40. You cannot get it wrong. It's the best budget phone we've seen this year so far. If you have a higher demand for the camera performance, then the K40 Pro or Pro Plus is a good option for you. What do you think? Alright, this is a video. I hope it has helped you in some way. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.